back, car enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting lineup of smart gadgets that will take your driving experience to the next level. These 12 smart gadgets are must-haves for every automobile. So let's dive right in. Number 1. GPS Navigation System. First up on our list is the GPS Navigation System. Gone are the days of struggling with paper maps or relying on your smartphone for directions. A dedicated GPS device offers real-time traffic updates, voice-guided directions, and even advanced features like lane guidance and speed limit alerts. It ensures you reach your destination hassle-free and with pinpoint accuracy. Modern GPS devices come equipped with a plethora of advanced features that make navigation effortless. They offer real-time traffic updates, giving you the ability to avoid congested routes and save valuable time. With voice-guided directions, you can keep your eyes on the road while the system audibly instructs you on every turn. But that's not all. GPS navigation systems also provide additional functionality beyond basic directions. Many models include lane guidance, which ensures you're in the correct lane when approaching complex interchanges. They also offer speed limit alerts, notifying you if you exceed the posted speed limit, prompting safer driving habits. Number 2. Dashcam. Next, we have the indispensable dashcam. This compact device sits on your dashboard and records the road ahead. It provides invaluable evidence in case of accidents or insurance disputes. Modern dashcams offer high-resolution video recording, wide-angle lenses, and even built-in GPS for accurate location tracking. Some models also feature parking mode, which records any incidents while your car is parked. One of the primary advantages of a dashcam is the ability to provide crucial evidence in case of accidents or insurance disputes. The recorded footage can serve as unbiased documentation, helping to determine fault and expedite insurance claims. It can protect you from fraudulent claims or inaccurate recollections of events. Dashcams also act as a deterrent against theft and vandalism. The presence of a visible dashcam can discourage potential criminals from targeting your vehicle. In the unfortunate event of a break-in, the footage can assist in identifying the culprits and recovering stolen belongings. Number 3. Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for both safety and fuel efficiency. With a tire pressure monitoring system, you can keep a constant eye on your tire's health. These gadgets monitor tire pressure in real time and alert you if there's a drop in pressure or any abnormalities. Some models even display individual tire pressures and temperatures, ensuring your tires are always in optimal condition. Number 4. Bluetooth Car Kit. Let's talk about hands-free communication. A Bluetooth Car Kit allows you to make and receive calls without taking your hands off the wheel. It connects to your smartphone wirelessly, enabling you to answer calls, stream music, and use voice commands effortlessly. Many Bluetooth car kits also offer noise cancellation technology, ensuring crystal clear conversations even in noisy environments. Number 5. Smartphone Mount. While using your smartphone while driving is unsafe, having it within view can be useful for navigation and hands-free calling. That's where a sturdy smartphone mount comes in. These mounts securely hold your phone in place, allowing you to glance at the screen without distractions. Look for mounts with adjustable angles and strong suction cups to ensure a reliable and convenient setup. When choosing a smartphone mount, look for one that offers a sturdy grip and adjustable angles. This ensures that your phone stays securely in place even during bumpy rides. Many mounts also feature 360-degree rotation, allowing you to position your phone in portrait or landscape mode for optimal viewing. One important consideration is the method of attachment. Suction cup mounts are popular for their versatility and easy installation, while adhesive mounts provide a more permanent solution. Magnetic mounts, on the other hand, use magnets to securely hold your phone in place. Number 6. Backup Camera. Reversing your car can be a challenge, especially in tight spaces. A backup camera solves this problem by providing a clear view of what's behind your vehicle. It eliminates blind spots and helps prevent accidents. Some advanced models even offer guidelines and distance markers to assist with parking. With a backup camera, parallel parking and maneuvering become a breeze. Many backup camera systems offer additional features such as parking guidelines and distance markers. These visual aids assist you in parking accurately and judging the distance between your car and other objects. Some advanced models even include sensors that provide audible alert if you approach an object too closely. Installing a backup camera may require professional installation, especially if your car doesn't come pre-equipped with one. However, the added safety and convenience it provides are well worth the investment. Number 7. Portable Jump Starter. We've all experienced the dread of a dead car battery. A portable jump starter can save the day by providing a quick and easy solution. These compact devices can jumpstart your car without the need for another vehicle. They also come equipped with USB ports to charge your mobile devices in emergencies. Portable jump starters are a must-have for any road trip or unforeseen battery failure. Number 8. Heads-Up Display. Now let's explore the world of futuristic technology with a heads-up display or HUD. HUDs project important information, such as speed, navigation, and alerts directly onto your car's windshield. This allows you to keep your eyes on the road while accessing crucial data. With a HUD, you can stay informed without taking your attention away from driving, promoting safer and more focused journeys. Number 9. Smart Car Diagnostic Tool. Keeping your car in optimal condition is essential for its performance and longevity. A smart car diagnostic tool allows you to monitor your vehicle's health and diagnose potential issues. These devices connect to your car's OBD2 port and provide real-time data on engine performance, fuel efficiency, and more. They can even identify and reset error codes, saving you time and money on unnecessary trips to the mechanic. Number 10. Wireless Charging Pad. Say goodbye to tangled charging cables and keep your devices powered up effortlessly with a wireless charging pad for your car. These pads use QI wireless charging technology to charge compatible smartphones and other devices simply by placing them on the pad. No more fumbling with cables while driving. Just set your phone on the charging pad, and it will be juiced up in no time. When choosing a wireless charging pad for your car, consider one that offers a secure grip to keep your phone in place, even during bumpy rides. Look for features such as anti-slip surfaces or adjustable clamps to ensure your phone stays securely mounted. Another aspect to consider is the charging speed. While wireless charging is generally slower than traditional cable charging, some wireless charging pads offer fast charging capabilities, ensuring your phone charges quickly even when you're on the move. Number 11. Smart Car Adapter. Transform your car into a smart car with a smart car adapter. These compact devices plug into your car's OBD2 port and connect to your smartphone, turning it into a powerful car diagnostic and monitoring tool. You can track your driving habits, receive maintenance reminders, and even access your car's data remotely. Smart car adapters provide valuable insights into your vehicle's performance and help you become a more informed and efficient driver. Once connected, smart car adapters provide a wealth of information about your vehicle's performance and health. You can access real-time data on parameters like fuel efficiency, engine diagnostics, battery voltage, and more. This information helps you stay informed about your car's condition and identify any potential issues before they become major problems. Additionally, smart car adapters can track your driving habits, providing insights into your acceleration, braking, and fuel consumption patterns. This data can be valuable for improving your driving efficiency and promoting safer habits behind the wheel. Number 12. InCar Air Purifier. Finally, let's talk about the importance of clean and fresh air inside your car. An in-car air purifier helps remove pollutants, allergens, and unpleasant odors, creating a healthier and more enjoyable driving environment. These compact devices use advanced filtration systems to trap dust, pollen, smoke, and other airborne particles. With an in-car air purifier, you can breathe easy and enjoy a cleaner atmosphere during your journeys. These filtration systems effectively remove allergens, pollutants, and particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring that the air you breathe inside your car is clean and free from irritants. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with allergies or respiratory conditions. In-air car purifiers help neutralize odors as well, eliminating smells from food, pets, or other sources, and leaving your car smelling fresh and inviting. This is especially useful for long journeys or when transporting passengers who may be sensitive to odors. We hope you found these smart gadgets intriguing and are excited to elevate your driving experience. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel. And until next time, drive smart and drive safe.